Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to create a Blupeak account. Opening an account with Blupeak Credit Union is a straightforward process, but before you start your application online, you need to make sure you meet their membership eligibility criteria. Blupeak membership is open to employees and retirees of the state of California, students, staff, and alumni of select universities like the University of California System and USD, or immediate family members of existing members. Additionally, membership is accessible through community collaborations, such as a partnership with KPBS. Once you confirm that you qualify under one of these membership categories, you can head over to the official Blupeak website to begin your online application. To complete the application smoothly, you will need to gather a few required pieces of personal information and documentation. First, you must provide your social security number and your date of birth. You will also need to input your current physical residential address. Keep in mind that if you have lived at your current address for less than 2 years, Blupeak will typically ask for your previous home address as part of the verification process. Next, you will need a valid, unexpired government-issued photo identification. Acceptable forms of ID include a state-issued driver's license, a state identification card, a military ID, or a passport. Make sure your address details match or that you have a secondary document ready if your ID lists an older address. You will also need to provide a valid email address and your phone number to set up your digital banking profile and receive verification codes. Finally, to fund your new account and activate your membership, you will need an initial deposit. You can make this opening deposit using a credit card, a debit card, or by providing the routing number and account number from an existing U.S. checking or savings account. For instance, opening certain accounts like the Blupeak savings account requires a minimal initial deposit, while offering features like 0 monthly service fees and no minimum balance requirements moving forward. Once you have your documents and funding ready, navigate to the Open Account page on Blupeak's website. Fill out the online application form with your personal details, select the specific checking or savings products you want to open, and submit your initial funding. After your identity and membership eligibility are verified, your account will be approved, and you can immediately set up your online and mobile banking access to manage your funds. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.